One of the most rewarding and challenging aspects of our jobs as trial attorneys is speaking for people who can't speak for themselves. And just recently, I was involved in a trial where our firm was representing a man who had moved to the United States from Ecuador and didn't speak any English, and had a great job at a New York hotel, and he was asked to paint a loading dock outside of the hotel, and the hotel didn't provide him with anyone to hold the ladder. They didn't provide him with any safety equipment or any safe means to do his work. So while he was painting that day, he fell about 12 feet from the ladder directly onto his head, suffering a horrible traumatic brain injury. Spent about a year in the hospital, and had to relearn how to walk, talk, eat, all of the basic things that we take for granted on a daily basis. But all he wanted to do was get better, and he got to a point where he was able to return home, and with assistance, he could function. He could live his life. However, there were many things, many of them subtle, that he suffered from on a daily basis, things that occur when someone suffers from a traumatic brain injury. And the challenge that I had was making a jury understand that although he looked like he was healthy, all of these things that you can't see, that he couldn't communicate because of the fact that he was injured. He couldn't communicate because of the fact that he suffered from these injuries and was unable to properly articulate what he was going through on a daily basis, what his family suffered from on a daily basis, and the daily challenges that they went through as a family. And after an 8-week trial, we were able to obtain a $13 million jury verdict on behalf of him and his family, and they'll never have those concerns regarding the pressures of money again. And that's really what's rewarding about what we do here.